James Phillips here with the Firearm Firm channel. Many of you just finished watching our video called "Is the ATF Coming For You?" in which we discuss the current federal law regarding possessing a force reset trigger, specifically the FRT 15 manufactured by Rare Breed Triggers. If you are just now joining us, you can find a link to that video below in the comments section. Also, if you are just now joining us for the first time, be sure to show your love and support by clicking the like and subscribe button located below. So, we know that ATF has taken the stance based on their own interpretation of the federal definition of a machine gun that the FRT 15 by Rare Breed Triggers itself constitutes a machine gun. We also all know that this interpretation is completely ridiculous based on the function of the FRT 15 and the federal definition of machine gun. But there's nothing we can do about that until the next election or until the courts step in. In addition to worrying about the feds coming for you, do you also need to worry about the state of Florida coming for you because you purchased or possess an FRT? Most purchasers of the FRT 15 are only concerned about having the ATF come after them and facing up to 10 years in federal prison. But very few Floridians are aware that possessing an FRT 15 is also illegal under a plain reading of Florida's bump stock law that went into effect in October of 2018. As if worrying about the ATF coming for you wasn't enough, now I am telling you that local law enforcement agencies may knock on your door. Talk about adding insult to injury. Sorry guys. Many of you are of course aware of the federal bump stock ban that was signed into law by President Trump after the Las Vegas massacre. But many seem to be unaware that Florida has its own version of the bump stock ban, which encompasses much more than just a traditional bump stock. Florida's bump stock ban can be found in Florida statute 790.222 and is titled Bump Fire Stocks Prohibited. This statute reads, "A person may not import into the state or transfer, distribute, sell, keep for sale, offer for sale, possess, or give to another person a bump fire stock. A person who violates this section commits a felony of the third degree." As used in this section, the term bump fire stock means a conversion kit, a tool, an accessory, or a device used to alter the rate of fire of a firearm to mimic automatic weapon fire, or which is used to increase the rate of fire to a faster rate than is possible for a person to fire such semi-automatic firearm unassisted by a kit, a tool, an accessory, or a device. This ban was signed into law on March the 12th, 2018, but it did not go into effect until October the 1st of 2018. This Florida law was already in place for 4 months before the federal bump stock ban became law. As you can see under Florida's definition of bump fire stock, it includes a conversion kit, a tool, an accessory, or a device used to alter the rate of fire of a firearm to mimic automatic weapon fire, or which is used to increase the rate of fire to a faster rate than is possible for a person to fire such semi-automatic firearm unassisted by a kit, a tool, an accessory, or a device. Now, it does not take a firearm expert to conclude that the FRT 15 is a tool, accessory, or a device, and that when it is used in a firearm, that it does increase the rate of fire to a faster rate than it did before the FRT 15 was installed. As you can see, even though the FRT 15 did not become illegal under federal law until ATF's action in March of 2022, a plain reading of Florida's law shows that it has been illegal to possess under Florida law for the 3 years leading up to the federal ban. Now, at least Florida was nice enough to allow individuals who possess the FRT 15 or other similar items falling under Florida's definition of a bump fire stock almost 6.5 months to dispose of them. Of course, without compensation, unlike the feds who made it illegal overnight. If any law enforcement agency, whether federal or local, comes after you for purchasing and or possessing a FRT 15 or other similar items, remember to shut up, lawyer up, and do not consent to anything without the advice from an attorney you can trust. Thanks for joining us, and see you next time.